Okay, pupils, we are on this Year 5 English Plus 1 workbook. We are on page 26. So this is Unit 2 again on days. So this is progress review. And for this one, we have vocab, which explain daily routines. So activity 1, complete the sentences with the words. So we have brush, chat, get, go, have, helped, relax, study, wash, watch. So number 1, I up at 6:15 every morning. So I get up. So maybe I maximize it a bit. And then number 2, I breakfast at 7. So I have breakfast at 7. Number 3, after breakfast, I always my teeth. So this is brush. I always brush my teeth and wash my face. And then number 4, my sister and I go to school by bus. So this is plural verb because we have my sister and I. So we use go. So go to school by bus. And then number 5, after school I with my friends. So chat. After school I chat with my friends. We sometimes talk for hours. And then number 6, I always my parents with the housework. So I always helped my parents with the housework. Number 7, in my bedroom, I at my desk, so I study at my desk with all my school books. And then the final one, before bed, I usually on the sofa, so relax on the sofa, and I sometimes watch TV. Next we go to reading. A busy day. So activity 2, complete the words in the text. So we have our first paragraph. My name is David and I'm from a big family. I've got 3 sisters and 5. So this is brothers. BROTHERS. But my parents are from small families. So this one we have mother. My mother has only got one younger sister called Mary. She is my favorite. So we have this one, aunt. AUNT, aunt. And my has got an older sister, Jane. So father. And then we have next paragraph. My grandparents are American, but they live in London. My is from Boston. So number 5, we have grandmother. Because we use this one, she's really nice. So we use grandmother. And the next one, and my So obviously this is grandfather. So grandfather. My grandfather is from New York. He's a lot of fun. So next we go to language focus. So this is a present simple tense, affirmative and negative. So activity 3, make the negative sentences affirmative, meaning positive, and the affirmative sentences negative. Okay, number 1, I don't like cooking. So we have this one. You will need to make it affirmative. So I liked cooking. Full stop here. And then number 2, we don't play football every afternoon. So make it positive or affirmative. So we have this, we eliminate this one, don't. So we play football every afternoon. Full stop. And number 3, she doesn't wash the car. Make it affirmative. So she, so doesn't, cancel it. So she washes. You will need to add es here. So she washes the car, because this is singular verbs. Okay, number 4, they help with the housework, and then you make it negative sentence. So number 4, they, so right before the verb you need don't. Helped with the housework. Full stop. And then next, number 5, my brother studies in the evenings. So make it negative sentence. So my brother so doesn't, does not or doesn't study. So IES you change to Y, study in the evenings. And then the last one, you play video games. Make it negative statement or negative sentence. You, so play, before play you put don't. You don't play video games. Full stop. And then next, we go to the last section here. So vocabulary and listening, special days, number 4. So later I will play the audio. Listen and draw lines from names 1 to 6 to people A to F in the picture. So we have Dad, number 1, number 2, Emma, number 3, Grace, and we have Holly, Mom, and Richard. So now I will play the audio.
Unit 2. Progress Review. Exercise 4. What celebrations are there in your town, Grace?
Well, there's a big carnival every July. It's really great, and lots of people go in it. My brother Richard is always in the big parade. He plays music. He's very good.
And what do you do, Grace?
I dance in the parade. I'm usually near my two sisters.
What do they do?
Well, my older sister Emma sings. She's a fantastic singer. And my younger sister Holly gives small presents to all the children in the streets.
Presents?
Yes, just small things like sweets.
And what about your parents? Do they go in the parade?
Yes, my dad goes in it. He's got a lion costume, and he usually wears that. My mum often makes costumes for the parade, but she doesn't go in it. She watches the parade in the street.
And do you like the carnival?
Oh yeah, it's my favourite day of the year. It's very noisy, but it's fun.
So I already play the audio. So this is the answers. So I will left you to draw lines here. So because I don't want to make it so messy, so I just write the answer beside the number. So there you go. We have number 1, E. So this is that on the lion costume. We have Emma, C, who likes to sing. And then we have Grace here, like to dance. And Holly, giving presents to children. And we have Mom here, behind that. So that's it for this page. We are on this page 26. Year 5 English +1 workbook. So if you're okay, you can subscribe here. And you can watch the related contents here. And then right below this video, there's a link. You can click it, you can join it.